Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basic external factors so you don't chase ghosts. Check Epic's server status. If servers are down, you'll wait. Once done, power cycle your router and your PC or console, unplug for 30 seconds to clear NAT issues. Make sure Fortnite and your operating system show no pending updates. Mismatched client versions can be rejected by servers. Doing these 3 quick steps removes common, high-impact causes before you move to deeper network and client fixes. Now you dig into connectivity and authentication. Flush your DNS and renew the IP on PC to remove corrupted name resolution. That often restores server reachability. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a mobile hotspot briefly to check whether your ISP or Wi-Fi is the problem. Verify you can log into your Epic account in a browser and that 2-factor prompts aren't blocking access. Also confirm the game's server region matches your location. These steps separate network faults from account or regional mismatches. Finish with client repair and escalation. Run the Epic Games Launcher's verify/repair on Fortnite to fix corrupted files, and only reinstall if that fails. Backup settings first. After reinstall, retry with a clean boot and no background VPNs or firewalls interfering. If servers still don't respond, collect error messages, log files, and exact timestamps, then contact Epic support and your ISP. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different device on the same network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.